Welcome to BMW's massive production facility in Spartanburg, South Carolina, USA, where the all-new 2027 BMW X5 is brought to life. From raw materials to a finished luxury SUV, every stage combines advanced robotics, skilled workers, and BMW's famous attention to detail. Today, let's take a look inside the production line of the new BMW X5. 020-050 body production. The process begins in the body shop. Here, hundreds of robotic systems work with incredible precision to position and join the vehicle's structural components. Every panel and connection has to be perfectly aligned. At the same time, BMW employees monitor the automated systems and perform detailed quality checks. The goal is simple: create a strong, precise body structure that can deliver both safety and driving performance. Paint shop. Once the body structure is complete, it moves into the paint shop. Before the final color is applied, the body goes through several preparation and protection stages. Then, carefully controlled layers of paint are added to create the premium finish expected from a BMW. The process isn't only about appearance. These protective layers also help the X5 resist corrosion and maintain its finish for years. 122 by crash, final assembly. Now comes the stage where the X5 really starts looking like a BMW. Workers install the interior, dashboard, seats, glass, lighting, wiring, wheels, and thousands of other components. Advanced technology helps guide the assembly process, but skilled technicians remain essential. Every component must be installed correctly, because even a small detail can affect the final driving experience. The new production system is also designed for incredible flexibility. BMW says the Spartanburg plant can build vehicles using multiple drivetrain technologies on the same production line. 35, technology and quality control. Before the finished X5 leaves the factory, it goes through extensive quality checks. Electronic systems are tested, lights are inspected, wheels and brakes are checked, and the vehicle undergoes final functional inspections. BMW technicians look for even the smallest imperfections. Only after passing these checks is the X5 ready to leave the production line. 235 and there it is. The finished 2027 BMW X5, built at BMW's Spartanburg plant in South Carolina. Thousands of parts, advanced robotics, skilled workers, and countless quality checks come together to create one premium SUV. From the factory floor to roads around the world, this is how the new BMW X5 comes to life. BMW X5, precision engineered, built in America. If you enjoyed this production line journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more BMW factory and car videos.